Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast battery draining issue on your Huawei MatePad 12X.
Fix 1. Enable power saving mode Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery Step 2. Turn on power saving mode Fix 2. Turn off unused connectivity Step 1. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, hotspot when not in use Step 2. Disable auto brightness or lower screen brightness Step 3. Limit app notifications via Settings, Apps Fix 3. Optimize screen settings Step 1. Reduce screen settings Step 1. Timeout to 30-60 seconds Step 2. Enable smart resolution in settings. Display and brightness Fix 4. Update software and apps Step 1. Go to Settings System Software Update and install updates. Step 2. Update all apps in App Gallery Fix 5. Monitor battery usage Step 1. Open Settings. Battery show full device usage Step 2. Close unnecessary apps running in the background Fix 6. Recalibrate battery Step 1. Fully charge to 100% Step 2. Use until tablet powers off Step 3. Charge uninterrupted for 6-7 hours while powered off.